Hello guys, Steve here. The fire alarms are going off. I'm gonna record it again. And I hear the sirens. Huh? Okay, you can hear the sirens coming.
Yeah, my whole ceiling fell in.
Oh shit.
My look.
Oh shit.
I heard something. Look. Oh my god. And I'm trying to call the earthquake.
Holy shit.
The whole ceiling just came in. Oh god. Good, I wasn't over there. Yeah.
Apparently my neighbor's ceiling fell. Oh shit, now I see water. It looks like a flood. Oh shit.
I heard that noise.
And I heard that lady walking the dog saying that she seen black smoke somewhere over there. That was like the whole building shook.
I see water from the hallways.
There's what?
From the laundromat way.
Oh, really? I'm trying to call my landlord to let him know. Because it's not scenic street. I know, something.
Holy shit. It's really, I definitely see a flood. I think maybe a pipe bursted or whatever. Well, this is my 4th fire alarm video. First since July 1st, 2017. How flooded is it now? I see somewhat of a flooding in the hallway. I see somewhat of a flooding in the hallway. a flooding. I see water on the floor.
Oh, the water heater exploded. I bet you nobody's got any hot water.
Lee,
What?
Yeah, so apparently there was a water heater or whatever that, or something like that that exploded. Scared the shit out of everybody.
Wow. That is,
something happened
yeah,
because they caused it to do that.
yeah, exactly.
Ambulances.
They might be up.
I know my rent check hasn't gone through yet. Hey, Jack, I'm down by Vicky, you know, Martin's apartment. Hey, he needs to get a hold of Vicky like ASAP. The ceiling fell through. Something happened with the building. The floor collapsed in his apartment from the apartment up above.
Something happened and it
Vicky's sitting right here. She's right here. Talk to her.
I guess. I'm good. The whole ceiling fell in. Something exploded and the whole ceiling fell in. From a bus. From a bus. I was on the beach and this big building because everybody heard the whole that my ceiling fell in.
Oh shit, you could see the water. Wow. Fire alarms are not going off anymore. But this is pretty interesting.
You could smell the gas too, so it was an explosion. Wow. Must have been an explosion because they making everything look. Yeah. It wasn't in here, it was somewhere. Oh no, it was supposed to put the whole building going. Yeah, it's building over the dining room and the explosion wasn't in here. I don't know. Nobody knows where it's here. Yeah. Oh, yeah, they just made it. So just don't come back in until I'm going to close my door. I mean, I'm going to leave the door open. Yeah, I called, well, Martin at a party, I called him back. He's gonna come. Because, you know, they gotta take pictures and stuff. Oh, I was laying on the couch. Yeah. And it's some flood in the hallway, the carpet. Is the water coming in your door? Not just yet.
Hopefully.
It's got my right there by the door. So see here, right there.
Nothing down by me yet. Well, obviously it's not by you yet.
Just above the line, so it'll come in. It's coming.